Hi, I'm Marcus on the Indexable AI team. Here's a number worth sitting with. 81% of marketers are afraid AI is coming for their job. But here's what the data actually says, and why the SEO director role isn't shrinking. It's about to 10x. I'll start with the fear. But while most fear being replaced, 82% of SEO pros say AI will increase demand for strategy, not kill it. And the market backs them up. SEO job postings up 41%, salaries up 28%, 59% of new roles are senior in a $108 billion market. So what changes? Agents take the execution, the data pulls, the audits, the monitoring. That frees you for the work AI can't do: strategy, stakeholders, and judgment. That's the 10x SEO director, one person directing 10 agents with the output of a whole team. Because if a prompt could replace your job, it was never strategy. So here's what it means for you. You're not being replaced. You're being promoted to the person who directs the agents. That's the role that wins the next decade of search. If you want to see how that fleet actually runs, come take a look. It's all at indexableai.com.